how we get that nest together, how we start building and layering that bird. Now this piece here I have finished. Let me bring you up a little so you can see detail. Okay. Now I have finished the bird. I changed the eyepiece to a little flower that I had. All right. And I added gold thread and some black thread and lavender thread all the way around. You can see the black thread symbolizing, you know, feathery stuff down here helps to separate the bird from the nest in the background a little bit. Just didn't do too much, but a little bit on the top knot there and a little bit to secure that tail out there. Okay. The nest stayed pretty much the same. I did add a little greenery here and here to give it a little bit of more looking like you might be on a limb. Down here, I used a longer piece of this fabric and just put it under there and kind of simulating like what a branch would do, and it would give the nest continuity where it's sitting on something. The 3 little eggs are in there. The little feet are in there, and I did that with thread. Just made the little feet with thread. Okay. I think it's adorable. I love it.